In this video, we're going to talk about Garmin Truck GPS versus Rand McNally. In making an informed decision when choosing between Garmin and Rand McNally for your truck in 2026, you must consider how each GPS solution will provide you with directions for thousands of miles. They both offer truck specific routing, live traffic information, and alerts regarding low bridges, weight limitations, and hazards associated with transporting hazardous materials, although they vary when it comes to reliability and features. Now, let's discuss the features of the Garmin Truck GPS solution in 2026. The Garmin Diesel OTR line includes such popular models as OTR 720, OTR 820, and OTR 1020, and is considered the best choice for truckers seeking a professional navigation system in 2026. This brand allows users to develop a personalized truck profile by specifying its weight, length, and hazardous material status. It routes you only along the roads that accommodate your truck. Garmin offers lane level guidance to prevent any wrong way merges or pickups, and arrival planning satellite imagery to help locate the exact location of the dock or entryway to the yard. Some models have additional features such as real time traffic and weather overlays, as well as pre pass style notifications regarding way stations and bypasses. Now, let's talk about the advantages of using Rand McNally. One key advantage of units from Rand McNally designed specifically for trucks is that they use the company's Rand Navigation 2.0 maps, which include data for such important areas as low clearance bridges, weight restricted roads, and areas where trucks cannot transport hazardous materials. In the domain of connectivity, Rand McNally's primary goals seem to be integrate business tools for tracking companies. For example, many Rand McNally devices can connect to mileage tracking, cost of fuel accounting, and maintenance alerts, which is helpful if you consider your truck your business. Now let's talk about accuracy and reliability. Comparing units produced by Rand McNally to those manufactured by Garmin in a 2026 context, it is fair to say that in terms of reliability and accuracy, the latter is better than the former. Users have noted Garmin's faster performance and more reliable route planning and less frequent route changes. While still reliable, Rand McNally GPS has a few bugs, slowdowns, and some software stability concerns on some of the older hardware devices out there. As a long term and main unit for tracking purposes, Garmin would be a much better choice. On the other hand, Rand McNally GPS will make a decent budget option for an additional unit tracking your business needs. For ease of use and features, the user interface design of Garmin seems to be quite contemporary, convenient for experienced users, with touch screens that have a good size and voice recognition technology to make it easier for drivers to use all the available options while staying hands free. Most units come with the possibility of connecting your phone via Bluetooth without any need to install additional software. Rand McNally focuses heavily on their driver centric features, mileage report, cost calculations, and a feature for stop planning which may save you time when driving on reefer routes. However, the navigation software may take some time to get used to, especially in comparison with advanced options offered by Garmin. For the price and value in 2026, when it comes to Garmin's best OTR devices, they come at a higher price point because of the more expensive lane guidance, live alerts, and the longevity associated with these units, which is valued by owner operators and fleets alike. On the other hand, Rand McNally tends to offer more affordable pricing compared to Garmin for the same size device specific to trucks. For those who don't mind compromising on certain advanced functions, Rand McNally would make for a great choice. So, which one should you choose? For drivers who value accuracy, lane level direction, and reliability, especially if they plan to use the device on an over the road basis across several states, the Zell OTR from Garmin is going to be a good option in 2026. In other words, this device should appeal to those drivers who are looking for a main navigation device for accurate routing and alerts and precise docking. Rand McNally is a solid alternative to the former product for those drivers who have a tight budget, mostly cover short distances and regions, and need an integrated solution that would track their miles and fuel consumption. In addition, the user will avoid getting into trouble such as hitting low bridges or being overweight. However, in order to get information about parking or way stations, the driver needs a corresponding mobile app. To sum it all up, If the driver plans to travel over great distances and wants to have the most precise navigation for trucks in 2026, then Garmin is definitely the best truck navigation system. However, if he or she does not have a large budget and travels over short distances, then Rand McNally is a good alternative for truckers.